Hey y'all, it's Kay and I'm back with the summer DIY. This time we're cutting up some t-shirts. I'm going to walk you through a few steps on how we can achieve this full look, starting with design one. What you're going to do is go to the back of your shirt, and on one side you're going to mark and you're going to fold. This is where you're going to make your slits. Once you fold that down, you're just going to start cutting. Give it about a finger width apart and just cut. Finger width apart, then cut. And you do that all the way down to the end of your shirt. Keep them about the same size. Once you cut it all the way down, you're going to do the same thing on the other side of the back of your shirt. Fold it, then cut. So now you have these two slits on the back of your shirt. You're going to pull on the fabric so it rolls up. Just slowly pull. I'm speeding this up so it looks faster. Don't be so rough where you're ripping your shirt. It will fold up on its own. And there you go. It's going to look like that. If you want something like this on your shirts, you can do this and play around with that design. I'm going to add a V in the back of my shirt, fold that V in half, then cut like we did before. And as you can see, I'm only going all the way to the end of my triangle there, my V. Then we get this design, okay? Then we're pulling on the string here as well. So you get this look right here, okay? So that's design one. Now what we're going to do is what I call the cobra. Start by grabbing the second string and overlapping the first one. Then pull the third string between those two like this. Then overlap the fourth and then overlap the fifth, grab it, overlap the sixth, grab that string, overlap to the seventh, grab, and so on and so forth. You understand? You just grab a string between the two and pull. And overlap, grab, overlap, grab. I leave one string not pulled on and you'll see why. Now you can just stitch this down if you'd like, or you can use a safety pin if you don't feel like stitching. You just hold that last piece of string down and then you put the safety pin under your shirt and pin it down. And this is design two. You get that cobra with those splits. And now I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing at the bottom. And you're going to do the exact same thing. Make your triangle, cut the slits, pull, stretch out the string, and do the overlap technique. Why I said to leave one string left over in the middle is because you want to connect those two and then have that little piece of fabric cover the safety pin like that in the middle. Design three is done. So now you have those two cobra pieces and those slits on the side. I really like this design and you could stop there if you want. Now I just added a little bit of extra touches on the side. I made some slits and I also cut some fabric off, like sliding down, making like a triangular shape. I also cut below my collar and made a triangle as well and left that little piece open. I really like the touch of the triangle on the shirt and the side slits. And this is just such an easy DIY, you all. This is perfect if you want to do some shirts for the summer, something to do with kids. And it's an easy upcycle and it's no sew and it definitely can transform your shirts. Thanks for watching and like, share, and subscribe.